Hey Mike, this is Brandon. Just sending over a free video with the three tips and tricks we can do for you to help better position yourself online in Google, and hopefully at the end of the day bring you some more business. You're probably wondering why I send out these free videos. The reality is, as I know, Mike, a lot of these small business owners are, wrapped up in what you guys do, and you don't have the time to take care of things like this, and sometimes even the know-how, or much less even the want to. So that's where I come in hopes that sending out this free video, you can kind of see that I might know what I'm talking about. And if it's something you're looking to do, grow your business, bring in more business, we can maybe tangle up in the future. So um, the three things I'm going to go over, Mike, are website content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations. And the last thing is going to be backlinks and referring domains. I go over these three things because Google has its own algorithms that they look at, as far as the putting people in the right places in the search engines and the reasons why some people rank at the top and some people rank at the bottom. These are some things that people can take care of on their own. That's really going to help them out. Um, and I feel that a little bit of what people can actually do without having a lot of insight on this stuff. So the first thing I look at is a person's website on the home page here. One thing I want to point out is on yours, it's showing not secure on here. So big red flag right away. You're going to want to make sure you take care of that. Um, Sometimes search engines ain't even going to let people open this up. And then if they do, people are going to see that and maybe get a little turned off. So go ahead and take care of that. And then what Google's looking for is they're looking for about 1,500 words of content on your home page. So we got a few here, but something you can do, spice things up and help you out real quick is just add some more content relative to your business and relative to the industry. And then inside that content, you're going to want to put keywords. Keywords meaning what your niche is going to be. So Green Bay snow removal, Green Bay salting, Green Bay hydro seeding Green Bay. All the things that you're doing, the special niches you want, especially if there's a certain niche, um, that works better for you or is a higher ticket item that you want to focus on. So get those keywords in there, and then pictures as well. Little tip here. Um, you're saved it as Tim Thumb. If you save this picture as, your business name, First Choice Landscaping, or Green Bay Lawn Care, Green Bay Hydro Seeding. Save these pictures with keywords because every keyword phrase you have in here is going to help you in the eyes of Google. So keywords and content. Second thing I want to look at is citations. And citations are this. When I do a web search on here, so let's just say I did, lawn care Green Bay, and you see the top three businesses pop up here in this map pack. Um, Quite honestly, I know everybody wants to be here because nobody's going to the fifth and sixth page of Google to find a service. So we want to get here, and all the things I'm telling you are going to get you there. But the driving force to get you on the map pack is citations. And the citation is simply this: it's your business name, address, email, and phone number in as many places on the web as you can put it. So Home Advisor, Yelp, Angie's List, LinkedIn, social media pages, posts, blogs, anywhere you can get it, those are citations. So get as many out there as possible. Shout from the rooftops, let everybody know that Mike's got a business. And Google's going to recognize that. The more you got, the more options you are to get into this map pack. Hopefully that makes sense to you. And then the last thing I look at, Mike, is backlinks and referring domains. So if you look at um, what do we got here? I got the wrong business up. There we go. Let's go back to that. So your business here, I put it into a tool we call Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that anybody can go out and use. It does cost about 500 bucks a month to use this tool. Obviously, it's relevant for what I do. But it's going to show you your backlinks, your referring domains, what keywords you're pulling for, and then your organic traffic is obviously the big one. It's showing you how many people are visiting your website monthly. But back to backlinks here. Backlinks are this. Backlinks are anything you have out there on the web that if somebody clicks on that link, it brings them back to your website. So you want to go out there and get on, as many blogs, posts, websites, once again, social media things, and have links on there that if people click on them, they're going back to, First Choice Landscaping. Pretty easy to do, but keep in mind not all backlinks are relevant. Make sure you're putting backlinks out there on, stuff to do with, your industry. So concrete, landscaping, hydro seeding, lawn care. Don't go putting backlinks on Taco Bell and McDonald's and things like that because Google's going to know what backlinks you have, um, and they're going to ding you as far as power goes, um, just knowing you're stuffing a bunch of backlinks out there to get numbers. So, but obviously the big number here, your website's really not doing you a whole lot of favors. So hopefully these tips and tricks can, at least get you some potential clients in the door. I did want to show you this. When I go back and do that web search for lawn care Green Bay, and this map pack comes up, and I go down to the first organic listing here, this spring green. And I have them in Ahrefs as well. You can see with a little bit of work on things, they got thousands of backlinks, bunch of referring domains, 1,000 keywords, brings them on a month average 7,000, potential business doers. So, I can just imagine what that much more traffic to your website could do for your bottom line. And, let's be honest, that's what we're in business for, is to make money at the end of the day. So hopefully, Mike, you found these tips to be, useful. I'm going to send it out via the email, and hopefully you can just get back to me with this was informational or this sucked. Don't ever send me anything again. Either way, you're not going to hurt my feelings. I'm just looking forward to hearing a line back from you and your thoughts on this. So catch you later. Have a good one, Mike.